Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all your chats, how to clean all your chat from ChatGPT. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the app, and before getting started I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here is the home page of ChatGPT, and you can see this is the home page. And for you to go over where you can delete and clear your chat history, you can look at the upside and the left corner. At the upside you're going to see those two lines there. Let's go over to it, and at the downside you're going to see recent, and you can see this is my recent chat on ChatGPT, which is makeup appearance, which is makeup appointment, updates, 3D pixie outfit prompt, and this is it. And for you to delete all your chat history, what you have to do is for you to go over to that particular chat and long press it. Just tap on it for like 2 seconds, and this is going to pop out, which is to delete. You're going to see delete there. Let me press it, and just have to go over to delete, and you'll be able to delete your chat just like that. And let me go over to be deleting some of them. Just go over to the one you want, just long press it. Yes, just long press it and you delete. You'll be able to clear all your chat history on ChatGPT, and it's just simple. You just go through all of them one after the other. I think so. You have to go over it one after the other. You don't have, you just, I think they will not give you an option where you have to select it. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.